Check out this vacuum insulated food jar I received from Energify, and it is awesome. This is in green, however, they have other colors to choose from as well. And as you can see right here, it has a handle, which is perfect if you're hiking. You can put it on with your carabiner onto your backpack. And it comes with a cup, and it also comes with a foldable spoon. How awesome is that? And it also is double insulated. So that means it's gonna keep your hot foods and drinks hot for up to 12 hours and your cold drinks or food up to 24 hours. How cool is that? No pun intended. And check this out. It's double insulated, and let me show you a close-up of how it works. Here's a close-up, and it also comes in different colors as well. And this is what the cup looks like. And this is what the top looks like. It has a foldable spoon, and you just lift it out like this. And this is the vacuum seal button. So after you fill it up with either cold or hot foods or drinks, you could then start sealing it up like this. And then you push this button and then make it nice and tight. And that vacuum seals it. And this is the foldable spoon. And it's really nice because sometimes you just don't have a lot of space. So there you go. And it folds out and it folds back in. Simple as that. This is such a great product. Perfect for adult or kids' lunches, picnics, or even camping too. Highly recommend it. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.